The Sunday sky is painted gray. Cold winds are whispering your name. The world moves slow beyond our door, but in your arms I need no more. The fire dances in your eyes like distant stars in winter nights, and every breath we softly share feels like a prayer hanging in the air. Time can fade the summer sun, the seasons change, the years may run, but every road still leads me home. Whenever I'm with you, Lord. On a Sunday afternoon in winter, your love keeps my frozen heart alive, while the cold wind sings outside the window. You're the reason I survive. Hold me close and don't let go. Tonight the world can wait forever. In this winter Sunday glow, our hearts will be together. The rain is falling on the street, a gentle rhythm, soft and sweet, and every memory that we made still warms my soul when colors fade. Your smile shines brighter than the moon, turning every darkened room into a place where dreams belong, a shelter